to the Queen's Court. Today I have a collective haul from Amazon, DD's, thrift store, Aldi's. Okay, let's get started. You get the drift. Hope everyone is doing well. I am thankful, grateful, and blessed to be here. So let's get started. Good morning to everyone. All right, first off, I got this here. Rachel Zoe. I had my eye on this, and this is the color I'm going with. I guess it's like a cognac color, you know, but I like this. It's so pretty. It's a pretty throw. You'll see it when we do our fall styling. And that was $24.99. Okay, and this was from Home Goods. Okay. While we're at Home Goods, let's do this here. Pumpkin, no. Did I get this from Home Goods? Yeah, I got this at Home Goods for $9.99. Okay. This is going to sit on my coffee bar. Okay. Thought this was so cute. You can use this. You can put like a flower arrangement in this. Pop it off and put your little top right there. Have your flowers coming out of it, or you can just use it like this for your sugar or your coffees or your teas, like I'm going to do. Okay. Now we're going to Amazon. I got this scarf. I'm not going to take it out because I'm going to send it back. It's like a sheer scarf. I think I paid like $10 for this, but I realized I didn't need it. I also got these here beautiful fur pillowcases. Okay, I got those. I got 2 of those. Okay, I got 2 of those. I also got this rust color, like the cognac color, I guess you can call it, like a deep rust. Okay, I got that. Okay, I got that. Those were $10.99, I think. I don't know, y'all. You know how it is when you order from Amazon. I don't look at the receipts. But here's the pillowcases that I'm going with for the living room. Oh my goodness, I love it. It has the brown piping, has the brown on the back. Yes, it has gold and rust in there, and that is so pretty. Oh my God, it's so pretty. So pretty. I got that. And I got me some brown curtains. 92 ones. These are going in my bedroom. These are so pretty. I love the material on that. So pretty. You get 2 pounds to a set, and they are so pretty. So pretty. I love that chocolate brown. So pretty. I can't wait to decorate my room, so I'm going to take y'all along with me. And these pillows were $17.99 a piece. I'm sorry. These were $17.99 a piece. I didn't care. I like them. So, yeah. And these were I had to come back to y'all because I really don't know and I don't want to lie. But this here is going to be so pretty together. Look at that. So pretty. Going to be beautiful. Yes. Okay. Alright. So, also at DD's, I picked up me one of these perfume bottles. Of course, I don't like that gold. I had to mute that down a little bit, you know. But get that down a little bit because I don't really like this here sparkly gold like that. These were this was $8.99. But I like it. Just for decor. And at the thrift store, we're going to where did I get this from? I got this for $3.99. Okay, I got 2 of these. Isn't that nice? They are cute. $3.99 a piece, y'all. I got these from Good Stuff, if I'm not mistaken. Good Stuff over the bridge. $3.99. And what store was I at? And I got this here. It was yesterday. Aldi, y'all. Aldi. Isn't this cute? This acorn. And this is vanilla patchouli. It smells so good. I love it. Smell it. It smells so good though. I love it. It smells so good. Yep. And at the thrift store, I got this here bracelet here. Okay, wear this today. I got this cute bracelet from, no y'all, this wasn't from Good Stuff. This was from Red, White, and Blue. I'm sorry. Yes, Red, White, and Blue. And I got these from Red, White, and Blue as well. This cute bracelet, really nice. I got a pair of earrings and necklace. It can go real good with this. This was $1.99. Okay. And that's the Red, White, and Blue. I also got these here beautiful rings here, napkin rings. Okay, look at that, so cute. That's the back. This is the front. Isn't that cute? See how it's made? You can use this for so many different things, but I got these 4 of them for $2.99. Oh boy. For $2.99. Okay. So, I do believe that is the end of my haul. Okay, y'all? Alright. I want you to have a wonderful day. Take care. Know that God loves you, and so do I. Be encouraged. Don't be dismayed by everything that's going on. Pray and believe God, and ask God to prepare you for what's coming in your life. Thank you so much. God loves y'all so much. I'm telling you, He loves us. He loves us. And He wants us to prosper. He wants us to be in good health. He wants us to believe and trust in Him. That is what I do, and I'm spreading the word. Okay? So, remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you until I see you on the next video. Be blessed and have a great, blessed day on purpose. Love you all. Bye-bye.